motor oil, the primary automotive service item. It's something we change twice a year, and both of those times we wonder whether what we're using is of decent enough quality. In order to answer that question, enter VMPAUTO, a company that has been developing and producing cutting-edge lubricants for 27 years. The company recently began developing its very own modern SN category product. Any motor oil manufacturing operation requires a facility with serious production capacity. Along with the development of the oil itself, prospective factory wings and production lines were also being designed. Here we have a new facility for manufacturing automotive and industrial-grade oils. It took a year to complete, and despite all of the restrictions currently imposed on the country, we made it. Welcome to the grand opening of our automotive-grade oil production facility. Our aim is to keep engines as clean as possible. That is why we use a synthetic base and polymers that are resistant to oxidizing. I recall how one of the experts at the Polytechnic University, where we conducted a bit of testing, mentioned that they'd never seen an engine that was this clean before. This oil has proven itself in every possible measure thanks to a bespoke set of additives, quality base oil, and durable polymer. Motor oil's viscosity changing is one of the main things that can cause catastrophic engine failure. That's why we subject our polymers to rigorous testing, with this being the main component that determines the viscosity of our own oils and those made by the competition. An important distinguishing characteristic of VMPAUTO motor oil is its high viscosity index of around 200 units, compared to approximately 170 for most of its counterparts. This ensures excellent flow at low temperatures and stable viscosity once the oil gets hot, which is something that third-party experts can also attest to. The guys from VMPAUTO invited us to visit their booth and also their factory. And we saw firsthand how the oil is made. You do get the impression it's a product you can rely on. And the results of their laboratory testing are confirmed in an actual racing application. I appreciate the fact that they're making their own stuff, as opposed to slapping their sticker onto something that they imported from another country. What can I tell you about the oil? Today we tested it in actual racing conditions, and it worked the full 100% and then some. 4 hours of punishment, the engine still works like a charm. It was putting down full power all the way to the finish line. Everything is great. This oil has proven itself in every possible measure thanks to a bespoke set of additives, quality base oil, and durable polymer. And by the way, the racing formula is soon going to be complemented by transmission fluids as well as oils for GA aircraft. Initial testing has already been completed. Everything was within the spec, didn't see any scratching, scoring, carbon deposits, didn't notice any additional vibration, engine was running like clockwork. It definitely passed the initial stages of testing. We tested VMPAUTO motor oil in our fleet of taxis. Each car successfully went the full service interval, while driving in rough urban road conditions. The engines had zero issues. Tests show that our oil is good for 10,000 kilometers of grueling driving in heavy city traffic. Analyzing the used oil revealed its high resistance to breaking down. Its properties changed as predicted, while staying within acceptable limits. Reviews published on ozon.ru indicate that our company is on the right path and makes a genuinely high-quality product. We've been receiving some really positive feedback from people who have tried using our oils. And that is exactly why we do what we do. We are looking to surpass the expectations of the people, in order for us to get that positive feedback from them. Synergy, innovation, and quality are what allow VMPAUTO to make solid motor oils today, so that tomorrow and after driving 100,000 kilometers, you can be confident that your engine will be running just like it should.